Homemade breakfast sausage. Are you ready to elevate your breakfast game with the irresistible aroma and savory goodness of homemade breakfast sausage? Imagine sizzling patties infused with herbs and spices, perfectly seasoned to your liking, and crafted with love right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a breakfast treat that's sure to become a morning favorite. This recipe yields approximately 12 sausage patties, making it ideal for a delicious breakfast spread or a hearty brunch gathering. Ingredients: 1 pound ground pork. You can also use ground turkey or chicken for a lighter option. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried sage, ½ teaspoon dried thyme, ½ teaspoon dried rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, optional for added flavor. Pinch of red pepper flakes, adjust to taste for a hint of heat. 1 tablespoon olive oil. For cooking instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the ground pork with all the spices, salt, black pepper, dried sage, dried thyme, dried rosemary, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, if using, and red pepper flakes. Use your hands or a spoon to mix thoroughly, ensuring that the spices are evenly distributed throughout the meat. Once the spices are well incorporated, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. After chilling, take the sausage mixture out of the refrigerator and divide it into 12 equal portions. Shape each portion into a round patty, about ½ inch thick. You can adjust the size of the patties according to your preference. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the skillet is hot, carefully place the sausage patties in the pan, making sure not to overcrowd them. Cook in batches if needed. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through, with an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, for pork, or 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for poultry. Once cooked, transfer the sausage patties to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Serve your homemade breakfast sausage hot alongside scrambled eggs, crispy hash browns, fresh fruit, or your favorite breakfast sides. Enjoy the delicious flavors and the satisfaction of creating a breakfast classic from scratch. Why you'll love it. Making homemade breakfast sausage allows you to customize the flavors exactly to your taste preferences. Whether you prefer a traditional sage-infused sausage or want to experiment with different herbs and spices, the choice is yours. Plus, using quality ingredients and controlling the seasoning means you can enjoy a healthier version without compromising on taste. From lazy weekend mornings to busy weekday breakfasts, these flavorful sausage patties are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. Make extra batches and freeze them for quick and convenient breakfasts throughout the week, saving you time without sacrificing flavor. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes, cooking tips, and culinary adventures. Explore the world of homemade delights and take your breakfast experience to the next level with creative recipes like this one.